I've seen a vision system score 98% accuracy in the vendor demo and then deliver 75% on the production floor. And the gap between these two numbers, it was sitting in the spec document the entire time, but nobody caught it. In this video, I'm going to show you what a complete spec covers and what most specs miss. I'm Raghava, founder of Qualitas Technologies. We've deployed over 200 vision systems successfully all over the world. Now, the gap is more common than the industry likes to admit. And the reason it happens is almost always the same. The spec captured what the system was supposed to do, but not the conditions it was supposed to do it in. A complete vision spec has 4 things that most specs miss. First, a precise defect definition. Not in the lines of surface marks, a description of the specific defect type, but the minimum size that constitutes a failure, the location on the part where it matters, and how it presents visually, with pictures of actual reject samples attached. Second, the environmental conditions. Lighting variation between shifts, ambient temperature range, vibration on the line, dust or contamination, temperature. These are not background details. They directly affect how a camera sees the part, and they need to be measured and specified before the system is designed. Third, the part presentation parameters. How consistent is the orientation? How much does the part move laterally or on the conveyor? What's the variation of the height? These determine the field of view, the depth of focus required, and whether a single camera position will work. And fourth, the acceptance criteria. And this is where most specs failed. High accuracy, 100% accuracy is not a number. You need false reject and false accept rates expressed as separate percentages with a defined method for measuring them. These are different things and they require different trade-offs, and your vendor needs to know which one you care about more. And they're 2 different numbers. The 98% to 75% gap, when we looked at the conditions, 3 things weren't in the spec. The lighting in the production area differed significantly from the demo room. The parts arriving on the line had more surface variation than the demo samples showed, and there was no defined false reject rate, so the system had been tuned for accuracy on the demo set rather than the real operating trade-off. Comment spec below, and we'll be happy to send you a spec assistant that walks you through all 4 of these sections before you engage with any vendor. It's free and it takes 20 minutes, which will save you countless of hours later. Thank you.